Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this a little different but classical a granny square. You can make it like me, little, only fifth round, but if you want to make it more and like a blanket, you can grow it up easily. I tell every detail in the video. It's so simple. You can you will play only the colors, also the classical granny square others as same as you can do that easily, I promise. Hope you will like and try. You can make with them, I think, joining together a cardigan, pillow. You can use it on home textile and also clothes, also beanie, also scarves, also shawls, which you want. You can adapt that granny square everywhere which you want. If you're ready, and please don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. We can start to crochet our granny square. Let's start to crochet our granny square. I choose my yarns. It has a middle thickness, and I will use in my motif 4mm hook. You can choose which yarn you want and which hook proper to them. Okay, first of all we will make a magic ring. Make a hole like that, grab my yarn and insert in it, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm not give up that hole. Okay, take it like that, hold it, yarn over and insert in that hole, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over and insert that hole again, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. So totally I have 3 double crochet, chain 1 and make 3 double crochet more, 1, 2 and 3. This is the second set. I will make totally 4 set. Chain 1, yarn over and make here 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, yarn over and make last set, 1, 2, 3. Pull that yarn tightly and close that hole, chain 1 and insert your hook from the top of that chain 3 and grab that 2 yarn together for not open that hole again. Okay, like that. I close here and I have 4 sets here with 3 double, chain 1. Now I will take my second color. Chain 3 with the second color. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and insert into that bottom of that chain 1 space. Okay, and make here 2 more double, 1 and 2. So totally I have here 3 double crochet. Not make any chain, yarn over and skip that 3 double crochet, insert into the next chain 1 space, and I want to hide this tail too and make here 3 double, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, yarn over and insert into same space and make 3 more, 1, 2 and 3. We prepare our 4 corners. This is the first corner. Yarn over and not make any chains and come to the second chain 1 space, and make here 3 double, 2, 3, chain 1 and 3 double, 1, 2 and 3. Come to the third one, not make any chains, directly insert into the third corner, 1 double, 2 double, 3 double, chain 1 and make 3 double more in the same space, 2 and 3, chain, not make any chains, yarn over and come to the last space which we start here, make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and make a slip stitch here. So make one more slip stitch and make one more slip stitch and come to between of that two corners. Now make chain 3 with the second color, yarn over and insert into the same space, make a double, yarn over, insert into same space and pull through 2, not close with that second color. Take your first color and pull through 2 with the first color. Chain 1 this time, yarn over, and I will transport my second color with me. Okay, yarn over and insert into corner and make here with the first color 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and make 3 double more, 1, 2, and this is the third one, pull through 2 and I will take my second color and close with it, chain 1 and this time I will transport my first color, yarn over and insert into that between of that two corner and make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3, on the 3 pull through 2 and close that the third double with the first color, chain 1 and keep carry on that second color, yarn over, insert into that space and make here a corner, 3 double, chain 1, 3 double, 1, 2, on the 3 pull through 2 and close with the second color, chain 1, yarn over in the middle of that two corner and don't forget carrying on that first color. Okay, make 3 double crochet, 2, on the third one pull through 2 and close with the first color, chain 1 and make here corner. So on the third round we make corners with the first color, we make the between of that two corners set with the second color. I complete the third round and turn to you. I complete the third round and on the fourth round this time we change the colors place. So on the fourth round we will make the corners with second color, make that between sets with the first color. So I keep crocheting with the first color. So I will close the third double with the first color. Usually we need here a chain 1, but if I make a chain 1 here, I will join with a slip stitch and come here, and so I will start here, but I want to start that place. So I will insert the top of that chain 3, grab my yarn and make a single crochet here. So I'm on that space now. I can keep crocheting here and I will keep carry on my second color. chain 3, yarn over, insert into between of that corner and that set and make here 2 more double, 1 and 2. With the 3 chains I have here 3 double crochet, chain 1 and come to the next space, yarn over and insert here and make here 3 double, 1, 2, on the third one pull through 2 and close it with my second color, chain 1 and come to corner, yarn over, insert into chain 1 space and make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and make 3 double more, 1, 2, on the third one pull through 2 and take the first color and close it with that, chain 1, transport that second color, don't forget it, and insert into that space and make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, come to next space and make here 3 double, 1, 2, when you come to the 3 one, pull through 2 and close it with the second color, chain 1 and come to the corner, make here again 3 double, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1 and make 3 more, 1, 2 and 3, close that the third one with first color, chain 1 and make here 3 double, 3 double, as same as on the fourth round. We will make the corners with second color, between of them with the first color. I complete that fourth round, turn to you and I will show you on the fifth round. You can keep crocheting as same as. Okay, I complete and turn to you. I'm at the end of the fourth row and you can look at the motif and you can tell me which color we will start the fifth round. You can see that we finish with the corner with the second color. So after that row, like on the third round, we will make the between of that sets with second color and we will make the corners first color. You will always change the corners color so you can adapt that easily. So I will close the third double with the second color, chain not make chain 1, okay, because I want to start that space. So insert into that top of that chain 3, grab my yarn and make a single crochet here, and I am on that space now. I keep transport my first color, chain 3, count as the first double, yarn over and insert into same space and make here a double, make 1 more double, chain 1 and come to next space, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and come to next space, 1, 2, when you come to the third one, pull through 2 and take your first color, close with it, chain 1, yarn over, insert into that corner space and make here again 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and 3 double, 1, 2, that's the 3 one, pull through 2, take your second color, close with it, chain 1 and come to that first space and make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, come to next space, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, come to next space, 1, 2, when you come to the last one, pull through 2 and take your first color for making the corner. Corner with first color, between of that sets with the second color. If you want to make it growing up like that, after that row, as same as that fourth round, you will make the corner second color, between of them first color. I complete that fifth round and turn to you. If you want to keep crocheting and growing up your granny square, you will close it and not make any chains and insert here and make chain 1, chain 3 and insert into same space and keep crocheting, because on the sixth round you will make the between of that sets with the first color. But if you want to close like me, close the third double crochet with the second color, chain 1 and insert into that top and join with a slip stitch like that. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. I will hide all the tails. Okay. I hope you like this tutorial. It's so simple, classical granny square, but we only playing the colors. You can make it like rainbow. I think it will be gorgeous. I like it very much. It's so simple but different looking. I hope you will like and try that, and I will wait your comments about that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.